everybody, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the song Let's Shut Up and Dance by Derulo. Let's try. Okay, for this step, you're gonna go dip. 1, 2, step to your left, cross 3, 4, and circle. 5, 6, cross, and jump 8. Okay? Let's start. One more time. 5, 6, 7, dip. 1, 2, cross 3, 4, and make a circle. 5, put on the back. 6, cross down, jump on it. Alright, for the second 8, you're gonna drag on 1, 2, then step your right to the front, 3, cross, up on 4. Then you're gonna go 5 and 6, away on 7, jump 8. Let's try that part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step, 3, cross, 4, 5, 6, away on 7, 8. Okay, let's do the second 8 combined. So let's start, go deep on the 1, 2, side 3, 4, and 5, 6, cross 7, jump on 8. 1, 2, 3, cross on 4, 5, 6, away on 7, and 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna go, let's focus on the legs first, on the knee. You're gonna tap on 1, 2, and a 3. It goes like 1, 2, and a 3. And for your arm, you're gonna go 1, overhead 2, 3, then open, make a circle. 5, 6, then ad-lib on 7 and 8. Okay, let's combine that with here and this one. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ad-lib, and 8. Next. This one is super easy. So you just need to use your knee going in, back, right, back, 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 and back. Let's try. Your hand is 1, 2, double, double. 1, 2, double, double. Let's start that part for 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stop. So stop on 6. Then right to the front, away, like you're swimming, away and close. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, after that, 7, 8, you're gonna step your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your head is like this. You're like a chicken. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then punch the right to the front. 5. Open. 6. Overhead. Then up. In. And back. Okay, let's try to count. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee up. 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's try quicker. Faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna walk to your right. Legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Until hip first. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3. Knee up. 4. Then for your hand, make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 7 and then 1, 2, 3, knee up, and 4. Okay, from here, flex 5 and 6. You go like, so 3, 4, 5, and 6. You go down on 7, 8, and up. That's it. Let's try again. From here, 5, 6, up from the wall, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and close, down, 8, and up. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. All of it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, side 3, left, and 5, 6, down, and 8, 1, 2, 3, cross 4, knee, 6, 7, jump, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, here we go, 5, 6, open, 8, 1, 2, hop, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, away, 5, 6, down, 7, 8, go. Good job. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please like our videos, and if you want to watch other videos, just click on the playlist in my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.